ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Working President Jongkaseng Congress ka Dr. Maisel Ampareen Lyngdoh kalako baka Congress kandang job yang sakato ka ningot ki MLA Harilom Garo ha ke election ka Bansalong House nem Hajar Khlieh. Aga jing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor haga khat santrik ubanai kelaling kot Hajar ka Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh kalaong beminta ke kinti ke Kongres kan sapenyang kerteng da ki dorkhmat ki bathmai ki bala biang ke kerdan puli ki badan ke jing angnot ban syakri pajba bat ki ba eat shisha ya ke Kongres. Shosho kala ongru baka jing pet seng jong kit khot ka party ha gini ki khendiat benai kan longru ka jing sneng ye ka party banda bishar banya ye ki breu ki ba penya so sha ka party khnang bakan long ka jing do nong hadin habon.
Highlight some of the issues that we talked about. Few committees are very important for us at this point of time as we prepare the party for elections 2023. The first committee that will be working full-time would be the Manifesto Committee. I'm sure the people of the state of Meghalaya will want the Congress Party to come clear on what will it be its main agendas if voted to office. So we've requested MLAs and MPCs to forward some of their thoughts, some of the important issues that are relevant in their areas, so that we can consolidate on all of this information and come up with a very strong, straightforward manifesto which will be a huge strength of the party. We are also looking at ensuring that all the 60 constituencies in the state of Meghalaya are functional by the month of February. It is important for us now to build the party from scratch, especially in the areas of Garo Hills. We're very confident that the Garo Hills will not come blank for the Congress Party. We have a lot of new faces. We have young faces across the state, including the Garo Hills. We are looking at candidates who are qualified, candidates who are committed, candidates who also have strong Congress blood running in their line, in their systems. We've seen that the desertion of party men after the Congress has built their careers and made them who they are. This has been a very bitter learning experience for the Congress. So we are going to ensure that we will have candidates who are committed to the cause of the Congress Party. We are very happy to hear as we move across the state that the Congress Party has great support in every nook and corner of the state. This is giving us a lot of inspiration. We are very, very delighted to know that the people miss the Congress. So this is something that we are going to be working around. And the coordination committees in all parts of the state is also going to be another big strength for the party. So I'm happy that the President has called for this meeting where we could all sit and coordinate with each other and think ahead and look positive, because the positivity that we get in the streets of Meghalaya gives us this inspiration, and we are going to face election 2023 in all confidence. The regional committees on border dispute, including the two chief ministers of the two states of Assam and Meghalaya, are about to finalize their decision taken on the entire interstate boundary dispute. Now, when the public do not have any information as to what is the content of this dialogue and this discussion, there will be a big likelihood that there will be some amount of confusion over decisions to be taken. So my suggestion to the government is, prior to taking any decisions to the government of India, it is important that we have a state dialogue first and let the people of the state review what is to be taken to Delhi. Once you take in any decisions to the government of India, there is a very unlikely possibility that you can review and change any of the decisions taken. The 6 areas of difference are very dear to the people of Meghalaya, and predominantly, as we have seen, particularly the people of Riboy, West Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, parts of other areas would be waiting anxiously as to what will be the decisions to be taken. Correct. There has been major breakthrough in the interstate border talks. But even if this breakthrough has occurred by the current government, there should be a respect for the sentiments of the people living in these areas. My appeal to the government is, before you go to Government of India, please call for an all-party meeting so that we, the leaders, know what our government is going to be presenting to the Government of India on behalf of the people of the state of Meghalaya.